How to fix Swiggy order delayed beyond ETA. Here, the very first thing that you actually need to do is simply open your Swiggy application, and then from here, what we're gonna do is simply open the active order in order to track your order, right? So for that, you can actually tap on your profile icon on the top right, from where you'll be able to see your order list, and then from there, tap on your active order in order to see that or view that tracking. From here, you can actually monitor the driver position and merchant preparation status, and you can actually use the call delivery executive in order to call the driver directly via the order screen to check on the road conditions or the addresses issue. So after doing that, you can actually also tap on the help on the top right corner of the order screen and select your order delayed option if it's not helping, and request a compensatory or credit refund. Follow all of the automated chat prompts to request a delivery status push or initiate a cancellation or refund request if the delay is excessive, and that way I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your order delayed beyond ETA.